What is up, YouTubers? Now today we are not working only on a fill, but we are working on a concept, and I hope you will take this concept and do something with it. I'm just giving you a simple example. I should probably stop talking and tell you what the hell I'm talking about. Okay, so we're gonna take a simple group of 4 notes, right, left, left, kick. There's some dynamic structure here. I want that right hand loud, I want the left hand down, bass drum solid. And we're gonna feel that as triplets. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Okay, now you can feel that as 8th note triplets or 16th note triplets. I haven't decided yet how I'm going to play it. But the main thing is we're taking a group of 4 and we're feeling as triplets. Now you've probably heard this before, used like this. And it's a killer fill if it's played like that, but I think it's limiting because so many of us, and myself included, we learn a fill like that, and then we're like, cool, done. I don't want to mess with it. I landed my trick. You know, you feel like you just did a little heel flip down 3 stairs and you landed it with both feet, and you're like, I'm not messing with that. We got it. But why? Let's mess with it. Move it around. So let's start that exact same fill 1 note later. So what I'm gonna do, remember, it's right, left, left, kick. All I'm gonna do is on the downbeat of 1, play a bass drum. So it's 1, and now everything starts on the 2nd note of the triplet. Yes, keeping that left foot going is hard as shiplap, so if you want to really work on your independence, throw that guy in there. Now let's just place this grouping of 4 by 1 more note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 2 kicks, and then I'll start on the 3rd triplet, and I'll still be doing right, left, left, kick, right, left, left, kick. And the thing that you have to realize is that this never stops, this never changes. It's just where do we play it in time, and that changes everything. Come on now! Notes. And listen to how different it sounds every time we shift. I'm just saying, this is really fun stuff, and it's not the notes that I'm playing. Yes, I would love for you to do right, left, left, kick. That's great. But the concept is take something very small, something very short, something that you already know, and just shift it in time. Just permutate it. And then you will find like all these things that you didn't know existed, but you already knew it. You just couldn't hear it. You couldn't hear it. Why am I so agitated? All right, now I'm gonna improvise on the drum set a little bit, and I'll throw this stuff in a little more musical, not quite so PDF driven. Come on, that's fun. Like, that's a lot of fun to play with and to mess around with that. But remember, I would love for you to learn this, right, left, left, kick. Go for it, I'm all about it. But that's not the lesson. The lesson is displacement. Take a small chunk of notes that you're very familiar with, put them in any subdivision you want, and then just start on the first note, the second note, the third note. And you just have to think, how am I going to start right, left, left, kick? Or let's say it's a kick, kick, right, left. That's your 4-note grouping. How are you going to start that on the and? Well, I'll do right, left, that's 1 E, and I'll start on the end. And a 2 E, and a 3 E, and a 4 E, and a 1. Cool, 3 kicks in a row, that's gonna suck. But you get my point, so just have fun with this and move your stuff around. And remember, if you like this stuff, please check out Mike'sLessons.com. I've got a lot of courses on stuff just like this, and I would love for you to be part of the Mike's Lessons family. Everyone get to work, I'll see you guys next time.